Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Biology online class. Today we will discuss the topic Unit 16 Microorganisms. Students, the microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa are used in so many ways. Let's learn about uses of microorganisms. Microorganisms used as medicines. We get antibiotics from microorganism. What is antibiotics? The word anti means against. Biotic means the living organism, substance produced from living organisms. So this is called as antibiotic. The antibiotics is prepared from the living organism which is used to kill the other harmful living organism. Students, now look at this picture. This is a picture of the fungi Benzyllium chrysogenum. We prepared the antibiotic penicillin injection from this fungi Benzyllium chrysogenum. So, the antibiotic penicillin prepared from this fungi is used to treat the various diseases. So, this microorganism is used to kill the other harmful microorganism. Students, next the microorganism is used as a vaccine. Usually, the vaccines are prepared from dead or weakened microbes. Microbes means microorganism. So they either prepared from dead or weakened microorganisms. So many vaccines are prepared from the microorganism which is used to prevent the diseases. Students, next microorganism used as natural fertilizer. Fertilizer means it's a substance which is used to enrich the soil. Some bacteria act as a natural fertilizer. It is used to degradable the waste, means it decomposes the waste and convert the waste into fertilizer. So microorganisms act as a natural fertilizer and making the soil more fertile by degrading the waste. And fertile the soil means enrich the soil. By this way, they act as a natural fertilizer. Example, Rhizobium bacteria, Acetobacter, Azospirillum bacteria. Students, next the microorganism is involved in nitrogen fixation. It is used to fix the nitrogen in the soil. Students, now look at this picture. Here the microbes fix the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen. The nitrogen is present in the air, no? So these microbes fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the roots of leguminous plants. Leguminous plants means like pea, bean plant. The plants have root nodules. Nodules means in the root they have a bag-like structures. So the microbes fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the root nodules of leguminous plants. Microorganisms convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates in the root. The nitrates are essential for the growth of plants. So plants use it for their growth. Students, some microorganisms are used to preserve the food. Are used in fermentation process. What is fermentation? Fermentation is a microbial conversion of starch and sugar. So the sugar solution converted into alcohol. Starch is a form of sugar present in the plant. So the starch and the sugars are converted into alcohol. And this alcohol makes the food more nutritious and palatable. Palatable means more tasty. So, in the wine preparation, the grapes, the sugar solution is converted into alcohol. In that process, the microorganisms are used to produce the alcohol. Students, next is some microorganisms are used in the pickling food preservation method. So what is pickling? Pickling is a method of preserving the food in the edible antimicrobial liquid. So the food is preserved in the antimicrobial liquid. Antimicrobial means this liquid active against a harmful microorganism. So it is called as antimicrobial liquid. This pickling method are of the two types, chemical pickling and fermentation pickling. So what is chemical pickling? In chemical pickling, the food is soaked in the edible liquid, means eatable liquid. So the food is soaked in edible liquid that kill the bacteria and other microorganisms. The important edible liquids are vinegar. Vinegar is edible liquid, alcohol is edible liquid, vegetable oil. So all these liquids are called as edible liquid. which is used to preserve the food. Example, pickle stored in this edible liquid. Next, in the fermentation pickling, the bacteria in the liquid, means the bacteria which is present in the liquid, produce organic acid as a preservative agent that produces lactic acid due to the presence of lactobacillus. See here, the bacteria which is present in the milk produces lactic acid. So the lactobacillus bacteria which is present in the milk produces the lactic acid. This lactic acid used as a preservative agent. So the bacteria in the liquid produce organic acid such as lactic acid due to the presence of lactobacillus. The lactobacillus is a bacteria that produces the lactic acid which is used as preservative agent.